Welcome to the Arts Comprehend Getting Started series. In this second video, we explore how to disaggregate OAS 6 English Language Arts data by subgroups. In my dashboard, I can quickly access the Comprehend tool and select the OAS 6 ELA dataset. In the data table, note I have a total of 57 records. I can edit filters, and let's say I want to view just the American Indian subgroup. Clicking OK, there are now just 3 students that are identified as American Indian. When I click on the filter, I can modify it. Clicking the Not option and clicking OK, I can view all of the students that are not identified as American Indian. Clicking the filter again, I want to remove this filter. Exploring how filters work in reports, I click Reports, click the Standards tab, and the report I want to focus on is the Grouped by Standard report. This report represents all students. I want to see how my advanced students did on the standards. To do so, I filter the advanced learners and apply. For my advanced students, Standard 4 had the highest performance and Standard 3 had the lowest. In a report, clicking on the filter pull-down allows me to quickly reverse the filter, displaying all students that are not advanced. Or I can remove the filter outright. To filter a report by demographics, I filter by demographic and select females that are white, as an example. Again, here are my filters. And to go back to the table, I click OAS 6 ELA and here are the filters displayed again. In the table view, I can click a filter directly and view all of the filter options. Removing the gender and ethnicity filters, all of my filters have been removed. In this video, we explore how filtering can be used to disaggregate and analyze data. In the next video in this series, we explore Comprehend reports and how they can be used to analyze learning and inform planning and instruction.